Oh shit, we're not even in the frame. Well, we're on nail 5. Yo, I'm dead. The whole time we weren't even in the frame of the fucking video.
This video is just
well,
not it.
We're on to number 5. Oh shit, we're not even in the frame. Well, we're on nail 5. Yo, I'm dead. The whole time we weren't even in the frame of the fucking video.
This video is just not it.
We're on to number 5. Nathan would say no.
That makes me want to get
too
a fire
manly
stick
for
now.
it.
I want to do that. Sorry.
When I what?
I'm looking at the pictures. We're about to see my Asian titties. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, so it wasn't supposed to be like that. It tells you to pick out pictures, and then you would think it would fit it to size, right?
Hey, I remember.
It don't fit it to size. It does that.
Yeah, some of them don't. Some of them do.
No, none of them do.
No, but look at that one. That looks normal.
Yeah,
we were
because
all
it
happy.
starts, and you see how they move?
Yeah, they go.
It starts from a certain angle, and I don't know how the fuck to fix that. And it picks a different angle every fucking... It picks whatever the fuck it wants. Why are you flicking up the camera, stupid?
Right here, bitch. And we're.
She's not good at... You're not good at anything. It went what? Yeah, this is retarded.
I'm just kidding.
I want to do a Q&A, and Nathan wanted to do it not too long ago. He was like, let's do a Q&A for your channel. I was like, let's go! Who we supposed to do it today? Like a mukbang Q&A, or we can do like... Yeah. If I'm being productive, I don't think it'll be that much of a problem. You know what I mean? And if it's a long video, fuck it. People who want to watch it will watch it. People who don't, well, get off the channel. Don't watch the freaking video. I got plenty of nail tutorials coming up. Watch them. Or if not, go watch the one where I do my sister's hair. Right? You don't want to see me do my hair and answer questions? Just want to watch the hair?
Now the thing that I want to use has castor oil.
Oh shit.
And it's for your curls. Sorry.
It's late, and apparently I don't know how to, you know, file it out right now. Because I keep finding my own.
Yeah, so look at your veins. You need fucking water.
What's what that means?
I do too.
What's what that means?
Yeah.
Look at me.
But my veins always pop out like that when I use my hands.
Nah,
But I
relax.
felt like it was always my carpal tunnel.
Now you need water.
I mean, I don't drink that much. I should drink more water.
You need water.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
My
Just
finger-
leave your finger
My
alone.
finger wants to dance, Maisha. I'm telling it to stop.
Clearly.
That shit keeps going up. It's twitching. I can't.
Legit, I'm over here trying to do it. Her finger's going like this. Like, what are you doing? I can't go like this.
It reminds me of what's that guy's name? I'm sorry. Yo, what's his name? I don't know what's his name.
I don't know. Eddie, what's his name?
What's his
Eddie's
name?
over here just smiling like, I have no fucking idea.
Yeah, my finger's trying to be like him.
Oh, straight as fuck. I thought she was talking about like someone like famous or some shit. I don't know. I don't know anyone that can't move their finger.
Yeah, come on, hands. You better. Don't twitch. Don't be like him.
It's definitely late.
Oh,
This
man.
bitch is. Stop moving!
Alright.
Jesus Christ. The downfall of doing your sister's fucking nails.
What else you talking about?
She says stay focused, don't move. And then the first thing she does is fucking move. So was that the cat that just came out from my leg?
Yeah.
Yo, she just rubbed my whole ass
To be
thigh.
honest, yeah, because she was over there drinking her water. She not talk shit in their own language. I'm not stupid. They all talk shit in their own language about people.
Ah, boy. Vámonos. We're in technically like nail salon right now. Vámonos. We'll speak Spanish right now.
Oh, yeah, let's go right
That's
now.
our form of talking shit.
like, share, subscribe, comment. You work. Better
Subscribe
like
for
it.
more videos. More coming. Hair, nail tutorials. More vlogs. Subscribe.
And like it.
Like this video
Don't forget.
right now. Comment. Give us some more ideas. Some more nail design ideas. Different things we should do. Maybe try a new shape next time.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Goodbye.
We'll see you later.
You work.